We begin with the man accused of trying to shoot a Canton police officer. He appeared in court for the first time, and we're now learning more about his prior arrests and sentences and how they led up to this now viral moment.
Hey! No!
This body camera video shows 21-year-old Shane Newman reaching for a gun and aiming it at a Canton police officer.
Need help, need help.
Newman, now charged with attempted murder and several other charges, appeared in a Canton courtroom Tuesday. His case will now move to a grand jury, which will decide whether to indict him on those charges.
To waive his right to a probable cause hearing, allow this matter to be bound over to the Stark County grand jury.
The incident that led to those charges happened last week inside the Walmart on Atlantic Boulevard. Body camera video shows a Canton police officer and a Walmart loss prevention employee escorting Newman and 23-year-old Katerina Jeffrey into an office after they were suspected of shoplifting. Inside that office, the officer pats Newman down and begins asking questions.
I'm gonna pat you down real quick, all right?
That's cool.
Nothing on you was gonna poke me, stab me?
No.
After sitting quietly for a few minutes, Newman appeared visibly upset, putting his hands in his face. But moments later, Newman suddenly reaches for a gun and points it directly at the officer, but the weapon doesn't fire. But court records show this is not Newman's first run-in with the justice system. In August of 2023, Newman was sentenced to 4 to 6 years in prison on drug charges, but court records show he served just 80 days. While awaiting sentencing in that case, Newman was arrested for domestic violence. He was sentenced to 180 days in jail, but served 9 days. In January of this year, while on probation, Newman was charged with giving false information to a police officer. He pleaded no contest and served 3 days in jail. Now Newman faces his most serious charge yet, attempted murder, following that Walmart incident.
Need help, need help.
And we reached out to Stark County Judge Frank Forcione, who presided over Newman's drug case, to ask why that sentence resulted in just 80 days behind bars. The judge declined to comment, saying the case is still pending. Meantime, Jeffrey was charged with complicity to commit robbery.